How to increase or decrease PHP memory limit in Plesk. You can modify PHP memory limit as per your needs using CloudLinux PHP Selector in Plesk. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Select the PHP Selector option. Then click the Options menu. If the Options page shows an error related to the native PHP version, change it to a non-native version first. The current memory limit is set to 128 megabytes. Let's change the memory limit. Success! The PHP memory limit has been changed. Thank you for watching.